sit up and sit back against the seat.
Yeah, you can lean back and relax.
Fingers, bunch of fingers.
Keep your hands close.
Keep your hands close there. How are you flipping?
All right, so flip.
Okay. bit like crossing a highway on a hoverboard.